And here is my setup for the seeds for this, preparing for the spring of 2019. So I started with my Burpee Organic seed starting mix. Here's some of the packages, the seeds that I used. And what do we have? We have here, I started with 2 rows of sweet potatoes, 2 rows of bell pepper, 2 rows of, what's that? Hot peppers, 2 rows basil, 2 rows Brussels sprouts, 3 rows of asparagus, 4 rows of, what does it say there? Martha Washington tomatoes, and 2 rows of cherry tomatoes. Here you go. And I got these lights, LED lights from Lowe's or Home Depot, Lowe's I think, Lowe's. And I set it up, so every once in a while this will have to be undone and pick up the lights a little bit higher as the seeds sprout, I hope. So this setup will do for this year. We'll go to student desks from a garage sale. We have that little cart from a garage sale. Also I have potting soil mix over there for my beans that I'm going to be planting next month. And here's the setup. So today is what's Sunday, March 3rd or 4th, 5th, something like that. And I just planted all these 100 cells for the spring planting of 2019. And here I went to Restore recently and I bought for 50 cents these wide mouth cups, plastic cups. I bought 2, 4, 6, 8 that I will be using for my taters. I need another 8. But I try to go to Restore because they help, the proceeds go to Habitat for Humanity. And people usually don't buy stuff like this at Restore. So, they were very happy to see these things go. And, I'll be using them. So it's a win-win situation. Restore of Newburgh. They're right off exit 8 on 84.